Ciao, I'm Enzo.
I'm Celia.
This is a Piazza Talk, our channel about our life in Lucca
And in the Tuscan hills.
Please hit the subscribe button. Grazie.
Ciao a tutti. This time we're going to make a wonderful Neapolitan recipe. It's not a recipe that you can find in many cookery books, but it's a wonderful recipe made with the flavor of the land, and it's quite intense and quick. So we're going to make pasta alla Vesuviana. Vesuvius is a volcano, it's around Naples. To be precise, Calamarata alla Vesuviana. This is called Calamarata because it has the shape of calamari rings, and it is a very good pasta with high protein content. What we need for this pasta is pomodori, tomato passata. I got passata rustica because it's a bit thicker. Extra virgin olive oil, we always need it. We got one onion, red onion, chili. I got two here, but we need just a bit of it. We don't want it too hot. Parsley and olives. These are our olives from land, and salted capers. Finally, mozzarella, and I don't know if I already mentioned oregano. The first thing I do is just to put the pasta in. I put some salt in the water, and I will put half the packet here because I'm cooking for 2 people. Okay, perfect. And it will take about this pasta 13 minutes. So I just mix it a little bit, and we can start making the sauce. The first thing I do is I cover the bottom of the pan with extra virgin olive oil. So it'll be probably 3 tablespoons, maybe 4 of olive oil. Okay. On a medium flame, okay, I put the onions, and I would soften the onions, and I'm also adding the chili. Okay. So now we infuse the olive oil with the chili, so it's a bit hot, and then the onions, they're getting softer. I keep an eye on the flame because, and I stir it because I don't want to burn the onions. I want to turn the onions kind of golden. Okay. I'm going to turn the heat down. Now I'm going to add a little bit of water from the pasta. That would help to soften the onions. And I'm now going to add the tomato passata. Okay, that's it. Okay, now stirring the tomatoes there, and I'm going to add the olives. I'm also adding the salted capers that I actually rinse before I add them to the sauce, and I turn the heat up a bit. In the meantime, also stir the pasta because I don't want it sticks. The sauce is getting now hot again. I'm going to add a little bit of salt, seasoning to the way we like. This is enough for us. Remember that the capers are also salty, so they add extra salt to the sauce. Okay. And I'm now adding the oregano. Just plenty. And stir it in. You smell, look. Can you smell, Celia?
Can indeed.
Okay. The sauce looks ready. is ready, so I'm going to turn it off. And I'm going to add the parsley.
How long has the sauce been cooking for?
Just the time of the pasta, 12 minutes. The pasta is nearly ready. In a minute it's going to be ready. I'm going to test it. Okay, the pasta is ready, so I can turn it off, and I'm going to create my schimarola and pour into the sauce. Now we mix the pasta. Look how beautiful it is. And I'm going to add the mozzarella. Mix it and we can serve it now. What do you think?
It's very Mediterranean.
Well, you know how to taste it, see if it is Mediterranean.
So I'm the lucky one who gets to try all these recipes. So let's have a go. That is really the Mediterranean, and it's got that little kick of Vesuvius coming through. It's delicious. Takes me right to Naples.
Padre nostro che sei nei cieli, sia santificato il tuo nome. Uno, due, tre, vieni. Date la mano, alzatelo.
Santa Maria, Madre di Dio, prega per noi peccatori, adesso e nell'ora della nostra morte. Amen.
Gloria al Padre, al Figlio e allo Spirito Santo.
Come era nel principio,
Buona Pasqua!
Happy Easter a tutti.
If you enjoy our videos, please leave a like and subscribe. It helps us enormously with the YouTube algorithm. Thank you so much.
Ciao
Bye-bye.
ciao!